Section 302 and 201 of IPC, sentencing life imprisonment.
For the prosecution in this matter, on 4th April, लगभग 11 बजे, आकाश, बुद्धदेवा, सुशंता and accused एक नदी किनारे नहाने जाते हैं. From when आकाश and the accused कैशू फील्ड की तरफ चले जाते हैं. काफी देर तक ना आने पर सुशंता and बुद्धदेवा वापस फील्ड की तरफ चले जाते हैं. Then Mr. Kalia, the father of deceased, when inquires the accused about his son, he clearly replied he didn't see him. On 5th April, now Mr. Kalia again went to the river and found Akash's body floating on it. Mr. Kalia filed a FIR regarding the same, and Munigarda police station registered this case under section 302 and 201 of IPC and charged the file sheet against the accused. Mr. Lakshman investigated the case. Prosecution also examined 19 physical witnesses to prove 10 documents and 1 modus operandi against the accused. Both trial and high courts found the accused guilty for both the charges. So this appeal is absurd and wasting the time of the honorable court.
The defense may proceed.
For the defense in this matter. My lord, there is no direct evidence against the accused. Chain of circumstantial evidence is also incomplete. Also, there is a delay of 20 hours in logging.
Objection, my lord.
Objection over.
So, also the chemical examiner report is also inconclusive. So, my client's plea under section 313 of CRPC that a false case has been lodged against him is legit.
My lord, may I call up the physical witness 17, the doctor who conducted the post-mortem?
Sustained.
Sir, can you tell the court what was the cause of death? क्या आप कह सकते हैं ये बरामद हुआ स्टोन इंजरी का रीजन हो सकता है? क्या ये एक्सीडेंटली हो सकता है इस स्टोन से? My lord, this proves that the death was homicidal.
My lord, can I cross-examine the witness please? Sir, have you matched the blood group found on blood and blood found on the accused shirt? Are they same? Your Honor, the blood group found on the stone and the blood found on the shirt doesn't matches the blood group. Doesn't matches the blood group. So this doesn't prove that my client has committed this.
Prosecution.
My lord, now may I call my next witness, Mr. Mahadev?
Sustained.
महादेव जी, क्या आप बता सकते हैं आपने पद्मन और आकाश को आखिरी बार कब देखा?
जी, लगभग 12 बजे मैंने उन दोनों को माधवपुर गांव की ओर जाते हुए देखा था और वापसी में मुझे सिर्फ पद्मन मिला और जब मैंने उसे आकाश के बारे में पूछा तो उसने कहा कि वो किसी काम से नहीं।
महादेव जी, आपकी स्टेटमेंट के अकॉर्डिंग appellant's wife was having extramarital relations with a co-villager and Akash was a cousin of accused wife, right?
जी।
और गुस्से में पद्मन ने आकाश को मार दिया।
जी।
It's all your honor, no motive is clear.
May I cross-examine the witness, please? महादेव जी, पद्मन जी के जाने से लेकर आने तक आप वहीं थे?
जी।
चलिए ठीक। महादेव जी, अभी जो आपने accused और उसकी वाइफ के रिलेटेड स्टेटमेंट बताई, क्या आपने वो पुलिस स्टेशन में रिकॉर्ड करवाई?
जी।
My lord, this statement hasn't been recorded by the police under section 161 of the CRPC. Therefore, this fact cannot be relied upon. And पद्मन की वाइफ का आकाश का कजन होना ये प्रूफ नहीं करता है कि पद्मन ने ही आकाश को मारा। Please give evidence. Suspicion take court down.
My lord, to clear it, I want to call Mr. Kalia in the witness box.
Sustained.
कालिया जी, पद्मन की बीवी आपकी क्या लगती है? काफी समय से एक्यूज की वाइफ अपने पैटर्नर होंगे थी, क्या ये बात सच है? और पद्मन ने उसको वापस ले जाने की कोशिश नहीं की?
जी, वो आया था उसके साथ वो जबरदस्ती करते थे, मैंने उसे रोकने की कोशिश की।
ठीक है, तो आपसे गुस्सा था सर। तो इसीलिए उसने आपसे और आपकी फैमिली से बदला लेने के लिए आकाश को मार दिया, yही हुआ ना सर?
My lord, he is reading the witness.
That's all, my lord.
My lord, can I cross-examine? Mr. कालिया जी, आप आकाश के फादर हैं, तो बॉडी आपको मिली थी। तो अगर बॉडी आपको मिली थी तो FIR भी आपने करवाई होगी। तो कालिया जी, बॉडी मिली कहाँ पे? My lord, please note that Kalia has said that the body was found near the river, but in the FIR it is said that body was found near the cashew jungle. Witness is contradicting his own statements under section 145 of Indian Evidence Act. So how can we believe him? Prosecution is just wasting the time of the court.
Prosecution.
My lord, may I call Mr. Buddhadeva in the witness box next? दिन आपके साथ नदी किनारे?
जी हमारे साथ मेरे साथ सुशांता, पद्मन और आकाश है।
और पद्मन और आकाश जब कैशू फील्ड की तरफ चले गए तो आपने क्या किया?
जी हम वहाँ थोड़ी देर खड़े रहे, फिर हम वहाँ से चले गए। फिर जब बाद में पद्मन आया तो हमने उसका आकाश के बारे में पूछा।
तो उसने क्या जवाब दिया?
उसने कुछ नहीं बोला।
My lord, accused की silence is a clear testimony that he was involved in this murder and was hiding something.
My lord, can I call physical witness to Susanta in the witness box? Mr. Susanta उस दिन घाट पे कौन था? अभी मिस्टर बुद्धदेवा ने कहा कि घाट पे सिर्फ 4 लोग थे और सुशांता कह रहे हैं इनके साथ कुछ और लोग थे। चलिए, उस दिन शाम को आकाश के पिता कालिया के साथ कौन-कौन आकाश को ढूंढने गया? तो मतलब पद्मन भी आपके साथ गए। My lord, this action of the accused is clearly portraying that he is not running away or hiding something. The whole case is solely based on last seen together police theory and the circumstantial evidence chain is not completed. Motive proof नहीं हो पाया and in the absence of proof beyond reasonable doubt, I humbly pray that Padman Bibar should be acquitted of all the charges. Much obliged.
My lord, सारे circumstantial evidence accused के against है. Moreover, accused से आकाश के बारे में पूछे जाने पर silence ही इसका जवाब देती है कि crime उन्हीं ने commit किया है.
The court has listened to both the parties. This is a perennial problem in the criminal jurisprudence. How far can court rely on the last seen together circumstances to convict an accused? Here in the case, the only substantial circumstance proved was the accused was last seen with the deceased. The leaked weapon, blood-stained stone was not recovered on the appellant disclosure. The chemical report was inconclusive. The purpose of motive was unproven and introduced at the trial for the first time, delaying in lodging FIR further weakened the prosecution. Applying settled test, the court tested whether according to the Kanhaiya Lal versus State of Rajasthan. Last seen together is a weak circumstance unless the gap is so narrow. According to the 5 golden principles mentioned in Sharad Bhiddijan Sarda versus State of Maharashtra, to complete the chain of circumstantial evidence, court found that the chain breaks at many points. Therefore, the chain of circumstance is incomplete. The burden section under 1606 arises only when the prosecution first established a complete chain. The threshold is not met here. The accused must be given benefit of reasonable doubt. According to the conviction recorded by the lower court is set aside, the accused Padman Bibar is acquitted of all the charges. He shall be released forthwith unless required is another case.
The court is adjourned.